Hi, and thanks for watching. Microsoft have finally introduced a worthy replacement to the Windows Movie Maker application from Windows 7. ClipChamp is free to use. All you need is an internet connection and to sign in with a Microsoft account. While it's a pain to have to sign into an account to use it, I feel the extra functionality of ClipChamp justifies this, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to install ClipChamp and trim a video. To see if you have ClipChamp installed already, open the Microsoft Store and search for it. Once the search completes, you'll be shown the option to install or open it as appropriate. Once ClipChamp is open and you have signed in, click the Create a New Video button. Import the video you want to trim by dragging it into the area shown and then drop it onto the timeline. Now you can click and drag the white triangular playhead to move back and forth through the video. Zoom in using the magnifying glass to gain finer control. Once you have placed the playhead where you want your video to start, click the scissors icon to make a split in the video, creating two sections. Delete the left-hand section by clicking on it and then the bin icon, and slide the remaining section to the left to fill in the gap. Repeat this process to set your video's endpoint. Use the Zoom to Fit button to once again see the whole video. With the video now trimmed, press the Export button and select the video quality desired, 1080p being the maximum. ClipChamp now exports the trimmed video. You can name the video while this is happening. Once completed, you will find the exported video in your Downloads folder, which you can go to directly by clicking on the folder icon in ClipChamp. Let's get rid of that annoying label that was added, and we're done. I hope you have found this video useful and will explore the additional features of ClipChamp. On a final note, I would not recommend paying for this software, as at £100 a year it is expensive, and the paid-for version does not support 4K exports. Thanks for watching.